Welcome. There are two ways to use adjectives. Number one, attributively. For example, he is a brave man. In this sentence, brave is used attributively. Number two, predicatively. For example, this man is brave. In this sentence, brave is used predicatively. Adjectives always use attributively. Elder, live, little, mere, sheer. For example, my elder brother is a pilot, correct? He is elder than I, incorrect. Because elder has been used predicatively here. He is older than I, correct. I have a little house, correct. My house is little, incorrect. Adjectives used only predicatively: afraid, afloat, alight, alike, alive, alone, asleep, awake, well, and ill. For example, you look ill, correct. He is an ill person, incorrect. Because ill has been used attributively here. He is a sick person, it is correct.